Hey, we're back. We got another log on the mill. This it's a 13-foot 2-inch cherry, 20-inch on the big end, and about, let's see, I didn't check the small end. We're gonna slab her out on the Mechmaxx 36. It is 18 on the small end, so she's a big one. We're back. We got the top off this cherry log. Starting to look pretty good. It's cutting like butter. One little rot spot here on the end, which we knew from looking at them cherry, just an indication. If you guys ever see that on the end of the log, get ready. I've had some go all the way across and it gets way up in there, but this one doesn't look too bad, but I'm sure there's going to be some rot right in this area here, but that's what we got. Right now we're back. We decided we had enough meat left in the log to do. Can't forget about our old charcuterie board, people. Everybody doesn't want a slab. Well, they want a slab, but they want a different thickness. So we did a 1 1/4 board slab, and then we're going to do another 1 1/4, and then we should end up with one big 2-inch at the end, or 2 1/4. So anyways, thanks for watching. We're going to finish this thing up. Got through all the rot here. There's just a little bit left here on the next slab coming out, so but it's cutting good. Everything's coming out nice and smooth. Pretty stuff. Next slab down, bring back some more. Again, Mechmaxx 36, working it, brand new. Only about 5 logs through, maybe 6 logs through this thing so far. So thanks for watching. We'll be back on the cherry slab. We got this one here coming off, about right in the middle to the fifth here. It's probably a crack or break, but maybe we can get one side, or somebody wants to do an epoxy job, we can split it, put the epoxy in the middle. What you want to call that? All right, we're back. We got another log off here. I mean, another slab, sorry, off the log, the cherry. 13-footer, and it's coming out pretty good, nice and level. We've leveled this thing with a laser and got it all set up, so looking pretty good. But we'll be right back. We're back. We got 2 slabs left. We just took a little 1-inch board off this cherry, everything down. The log has been rolled. We got the last 2 cuts here, so we'll see what happens. Be right back. Got another slab off of it here, getting down on this log. It is hard. I think it's dry. This thing's been down a while, so we're really having to dump the water on it to get it cut, but getting there. So about 2 more slabs and we'll be done with this one, on to another custom order. And we're back. We finished this one up here. This was the bottom cut here off of it, a 2-inch slab, and did a 1 1/4 slab, but we also did 1.5 inches just for those guys that need 1.5 inches. We have sold some of that over the years, but anyways, we are done with this log, and we're gonna let them air dry for a while. We got some stuff in the kiln that's coming out, and it will be going in probably in a week or 2. So if you're interested in any cherry or black walnut or hickory slabs, we're about to start drying some, so you can come pick them out before we dry them, or you can come look at them after we dry them. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.